Hello friends! Today's topic is my favorite. It's pronouns. Welcome back to our complete parts of speech course. So, what is a pronoun? See, pronoun. It's a word that is used instead of a noun. For example, Elena is a teacher. She is a teacher. She is a pronoun. We use pronouns not to repeat ourselves, to make our speech beautiful and colorful. So, in this lesson, you will learn the following things. What pronouns are, why we use them, the most common types of pronouns, very simple examples, how to replace nouns with pronouns. As I said, a pronoun is a word that replaces a noun. Again, why do we use pronouns? Not to repeat ourselves, not to repeat the same thing again and again. For example, Ali is my friend. Ali is kind. Ali plays football. Sounds horrible, right? It's repetitive. It's boring. So we'll say, Ali is my friend. He plays football. He is kind. It's better, right? Let's go to the types of pronouns. Number one is the type that is called subject pronouns. The subject pronouns are as follows: I, you, she, he, it, we, you, and they. They're used instead of a noun. For example, Elena, she, Marcus, he, students, they, me and Taras, we, and other types of nouns. Next, the next type of pronouns is called possessive. For example, this is my pencil. I, my. You, your. He, his. She, her. It, its. We, our. And they, their. For example, this is my pencil. This is your lesson. These are his glasses. This is her video. This is our classroom. This is their house. Sometimes we change the position of a pronoun and the pronoun changes its form. For example, I can say, this is my pencil, but I can say, this pencil is mine. I can say, this is my coat. I can also say, this coat is mine. So we change my into mine, your into yours, her into hers, his into his. It does not have such a form, not possible to make it. Our, ours, their, theirs. Good luck with possessives. Next one is reflexive pronouns. You know a famous song, I can buy myself flowers. Myself is a reflexive pronoun. I can buy myself flowers. I changes into myself. You, yourself. He, himself. She, herself. It, itself. We, ourselves. They, themselves. But remember, in English, you can be one person. For example, you, one. But you can be more than one. Students. Yeah, that's more than one. So if I talk to one person, I say, hey, dude, do it yourself. But if I address more than one person, I say, students, you are proud of yourselves, right? Remember that. I am very happy to announce that there is one more group of pronouns. They are called object pronouns. It's when you say who your love is addressed to. I love him. Him is an object pronoun, right? So he talks to whom? To me. That's an object pronoun. I changes into me. You changes into you. He changes into him. She changes into her. We changes into us. And they changes into them. I hope you enjoyed our video. Here are more examples that you can use in your everyday speech. If you liked the video, please subscribe and leave us a comment. We'll always appreciate it. See you next time.